So there's been a little bit of confusion on what sneakers are actually releasing on NBA All-Star Weekend. This pair that I'm showing you guys in this video actually is dropping a month early. So I'm excited to show you guys the package that Hibbett Sports sent me. What is going on, guys? Hess here from CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. Today I have a video unboxing for you guys of a new pair of sneakers that are actually going to be releasing on Wednesday. So these shoes release Wednesday, January 10th at 7 a.m. I will have a link in the description for you guys to go to Hibbett's website and purchase a pair if you guys are interested. So if you guys are not familiar with Hibbett Sports, it used to be only a brick and mortar store, and now it is an online retailer as well. And I recommend that you guys go check out their website and maybe bookmark their page. They do have a sneaker release calendar, and it does give you guys a preview of the sneakers to come, so it is very helpful to see. So this pair is a bit confusing because we've seen a lot of black, gold, and white shoes recently released from Jordan Brand, and I thought that this one was gonna be a different colorway than it was. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. So if you guys recall, ComplexCon had a black and gold and white Air Jordan 1 exclusive, and then all of a sudden it had a bigger release. It was international only, and then next thing you know, it was stateside. So it was a lot of confusion about the Air Jordan 1 in this black, gold, and white colorway. And so on this pair, you can see on the box, it is black and metallic gold. And we still don't know quite what All-Star Weekend is going to entail, if they're actually going to be releasing those top 3 Air Jordan 1s again, or is it supposed to be this colorway? So let's go ahead and take a look at what Hibbett sent. Standard Air Jordan 1 box, and inside is a pair black, gold, and white Air Jordan 1s. So obviously these are not the top 3 Air Jordan 1s, but this colorway is super, super dope. So again, these ones released January 10th, and you can take a look up close. Accents of gold in the back of the swoosh, and the Air Jordan Wings logo in gold. You have gold on the Nike Air on the tongue. Black tumbled leather through the entire shoe, smooth leather though through the swoosh and the collar of the shoe. On the soles, you have that icy blue clear soles, and you have a white midsole with white stitching. The laces on here are a little bit different than a standard Air Jordan 1. You can see it's kind of like a nylon wax lace, and then it has some gold tips. And then you also do have a white pair of laces that came extra. But here's where it gets really confusing, because you can see on the bottom of the insole, this is a map of like LA area. We do know that the NBA All-Star Game is in Los Angeles this year, so it is a little bit confusing. Is this supposed to be the black and gold and white colorway that is releasing over All-Star Weekend? Because the original rumor was the top 3 Air Jordan 1s was going to be a ComplexCon exclusive. Then it was rumored that it was going to be an All-Star Weekend release. So is this that All-Star Weekend release, or is it going to be a different colorway of Air Jordan 1s in black, gold, and white? I do need to get these things laced up though, so let's go ahead and do that. So here they are, all laced up and ready for feet. I might actually suggest that I like this one better than the top 3 release, just because it's more uniform and easier to wear like on a regular basis. The gold top 3s are pretty cool though, just more of one of those like abstract, crazy, out there looking pairs of sneakers, which is nothing wrong with either, but this is more of a daily runner where you can actually rock these on a regular basis. But what do you guys think about these Air Jordan 1s in this black and gold and white colorway? Leave a comment in the comment section if you're feeling them or not. And again, if you guys want to buy a pair, check the link in the description, and you guys can go over to Hibbett's and cop a pair if you guys would like. It's been really fun bringing you guys content with Hibbett Sports so far. If you guys missed the other videos, I did a LeBron 15 unboxing. I also do have an Air Jordan 32 unboxing if you guys missed that. And then I plan on doing a detailed review of these if you guys want to see that one. Leave a comment as well in the comment section if you want to see a detailed review of these Air Jordan 1s. But really enjoying the partnership with them. Thank you to Wendy for setting all this up. I'm really excited to see what happens for NBA All-Star Weekend this year. I really wish I could attend in person. Unfortunately, it kind of conflicts with some personal stuff, so I can't make it down there. So final question for you guys in the video, who do you think is going to win the All-Star Game? Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys have any ideas. The retail of these are $160, and if you don't know how Air Jordan 1s fit, I typically go true to size at a 9.5. It gives me a little wiggle room as well as the ability to wear thicker socks if I choose. Most of the time I wear ankle socks. Obviously, since these are high tops, the ankle socks usually go down to here. So I wear crew socks usually with these, and they're usually a little bit thicker than the ankle socks that I wear. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen All-Star Weekend. And if you guys know more about the story, if these are supposed to be the All-Star Weekend release or not, or are we going to get another top 3? We've also seen another pair of Air Jordan 1s in black, white, and gold colorway that really looks more like a singular pair of the top 3s. I don't know what's really releasing though, honestly. It's really been quite confusing. At the end of the day, I really like black, gold, and white Jordans or sneakers in general, so I'm not complaining. It is just confusing to the consumers. We will leave you guys with that. If you guys are interested in checking out more videos on my channel, check the screen at this time. But if you guys want to drop a like on the video, you can do so. It is free. And you can also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos soon. Peace, guys.